The changes, I feel, are going to be very significant, because this really is the first time where we have a company such as Facebook almost acknowledging that, irrespective of what the law says, this is almost the company saying we're going to do what we believe is sensible and perhaps a bit more pragmatic. At the end of the day, the law is the law, and there's no presumption at all that companies such as Facebook have been breaking the law at all. It's just the way that they structure their affairs. And while this issue is gaining more and more momentum, particularly in the press, it's probably time that Facebook looked at their own affairs and thought, what is fair? Because that overall is the question. With a lot of multinational companies, there's a lot of pressure on as to how they structure their tax affairs, and I think Facebook are no different. So they'd be looking at their position and they'd be thinking, how can we perhaps avoid situations where we're having or facing undue pressure in relation to our tax affairs? Facebook don't want to be in the news for their tax affairs. Well, it was all to do with where profits are recognised, and at the moment, the current situation with Facebook, profits are recognised outside of the UK, in Ireland, for example. And that's the case with a lot of the multinational companies. So all they're doing is they're just recognising profits, if they are earned in the UK, from advertising which is booked in the UK. So that will be accounted for in the UK and tax paid accordingly.